Here we will practice 3 more example problems on ratio. A bakery decided to reduce their cake size by 4:5. If a new cake weighs 2 kilo, that is the new cake weighs 2 kilo, what was its original weight? We know that if the initial amount is A and it is increased or decreased by a ratio B, and its final amount becomes A prime, final new amount becomes A prime, then the ratio is A prime equals A divided B times initial amount. So here the ratio given is 4:5 and new cake weight, that means here the final amount is given. What was the initial weight? So here the final amount A prime is given 2 kilo. We need to find initial amount A equals what? So 2 equals A division B, 4 division 5 times A. So this 5 will go this side, so it will be 10. 5 times 2 will be 10 equals 4A. So if we take this A, it will be 10 division 4. This 4 will divide. So A will be 10 division 4. So it will be, if we divide, it will be 2.5 kilo. So the original cake's weight was 2.5 kilo. The flour, sugar and chocolate contents of the cake maintain the ratio 4:1:2. That means we have got 3 parties. So, and their ratio A ratio, B ratio, C is 4:1:2. Here flour is A, sugar is B and chocolate is C. If a cake weighs 3.5 kilo, that is the total quantity, total weight is given 3.5 kilo. So this is the total quantity. Total quantity is this. Then find the amount of flour, sugar and chocolate. That is, we need to find the individual parties quantity, that is A, B and C. So we know that if we divide this total quantity by total A plus B plus C, this sum of ratio, and multiply it by A, that is first ratio, then we will get the quantity for first party. Similarly, if we multiply this one by B, we will get the second party. If we multiply this one by C, we will get the third party. So let us do one by one calculation. A is 4 here. The ratio A is 4 here. Q, total quantity is 3.5. 3.5. Division A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C means 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So now, if we cancel these two, we will get 0.5, because 35 division 7 is 5, but there is one decimal point, so 0.5. 4 times 0.5 will give us 2.0. So 2.0 kilo. So flour will be 2 kilo. Similarly, sugar, that is B, will be just B times Q division A plus B plus C. So this calculation will remain same. Here the B is 1, and this calculation we already saw, this part corresponding to this part will give us 0.5. We don't need to do this calculation again and again. So this is 0.5 kilo. So sugar is 0.5 kilo. Chocolate, C will be C times Q division A plus B plus C, that is C is 2 here, 2, and this part we have the calculation 0.5, so 0.5, so it will be 1.0 kilo. So if we sum them together, 2, 3, 3.5. So in this cake, the cake flour, there are 2 kilogram of flour, 0.5 kilogram of sugar and 1 kilogram of chocolate.